Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A pre-owned 2017 Audi Q7. This Audi is powered by all-wheel drive, 3.0-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 85,906 miles. Discover luxury and performance with our 2017 Audi Q7. Meticulously maintained, this spacious SUV offers advanced features, top-notch comfort, and a smooth ride. Elevate your driving experience today, schedule a test drive and embrace the road ahead. This pre-owned Q7 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, heated front seats, push-button start, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control, power tailgate, third row seating, seat position memory. To keep you entertained, this Audi Q7 is equipped with Bluetooth, navigation, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, ABS brakes, park assist, active safety system, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.